Inamin ngayon ni Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla na tinanong siya ng Pangulo kaugnay kay Police General Nicolas Torre bago ito sinibak. Sabi niya, hindi sila nagkasundo ni Torre sa rigodon sa PNP at inirekomenda umano niyang patibayin ang PNP bilang institusyon. May inalok din anya ang Pangulo na bagong posisyon kay Torre. Kung tungkol saan, alamin sa pagtutok ni Mariz Umali, exclusive.
Sa isang pagtitipon sa Makati, eksklusibong nakausap ng GMA Integrated News si DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla matapos ang pagsibak kay dating PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III. Kung kahapon sabi ni Remulla, wala siyang naging papel sa pagkakasibak ni Torre, pag-amin ngayon ni Remulla, tinanong siya ng Pangulo kung ano ang rekomendasyon niya ukol dito. Inamin din ni Remulla, di sila nagkasundo ni Torre sa rigodon ng mga opisyal sa PNP. Matatandaan nitong August 6 lang ay ni-reassign ni General Torre ang 13 senior police official kabilang ang number 2 senior official na si Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. Hindi ito inaprubahan ng NAPOLCOM na pinamumunuan ni Remulla bilang ex-officio chairperson nito. Pero ipinatupad pa rin ito ni General Torre sa kabila ng utos ng NAPOLCOM.
This is a difference of opinion.
Presidente at ni General Torre?
It's actually me first.
Okay.
It was me first. And then it was difference between me and the general, and he refused. He insisted that his system be followed. But again, as I said yesterday, we're a nation of laws and not of men. So it cannot be one person who dominates everything. So in the end, there was no rancor naman. He just couldn't accept it, and the president said, okay, he asked me for my recommendation. And I said, we have to continue in this path of correcting all the errors of before. And
Of the previous administration?
yes, and part of that is strengthening the institutions. My recommendation was that we have to strengthen the institution, that the institution must be protected. And then all the decisions followed from there.
Ang tinutukoy ni Remulla na pagkakamali ng nakaraang administrasyon ay ang pagpapahintulot nito sa PNP chief na siyang mag-isang magtalaga ng mga assignment ng mga senior official ng PNP nang hindi dinadaan sa NAPOLCOM. Nais na raw itama ito ng Marcos administration.
Ever since PRRD's time, when the NAPOLCOM was totally bypassed of all appointments, it became now the right rather than the privilege of every PNP chief na sila ang bahala sa movements ng level 3 and above, yung mga colonels to generals. And the president really wanted to restore that to institutionalize it back to how the law was intended. General Torre and the president, General Torre didn't see it necessary. So the president chose the institution over the person.
So was the President angered by the decision of General Torre to push through with his order of reassignment despite the fact that NAPOLCOM disapproved it already?
Well, he was quizzical about it. And in their conversations, a lot of explanations were made. And it's safe to say that's the differences of opinions were there.
Sa kabila nito, tiniyak ni Secretary Remulla na walang personal na hidwaan sa pagitan nila ni Torre at nananatili raw ang respeto nila ng Pangulo sa kanya. Katunayan, may inalok na raw na bagong posisyon ng Pangulo kay Torre kaninang umaga.
It has something to do with anti-corruption. So I'm telling you, the president still really believes in General Torre. Okay, he is still enough that he be given offered a position to fight corruption and to investigate corruption. And I think that shows you that a difference of opinion does not necessarily mean an end of a friendship, an end of a working relationship. It was just that.
Maging sa Secretary Remulla ay may mensaheng nais iparating kay General Torre.
I'm trying to reach out. Wala naman kami pinagawa yan talaga eh. Hindi lang pinagkasunduan ng opinion. So, the last time we talked to each other, there were no raised voices.
Do you have any message for him?
Yes, General Torre, I still deeply respect you. I hold you in my highest admiration. I think that in the 85 days that we spent together as SILG and PNP chief, we were very productive, and I still hope that you join us in government and help us in our crusade in making a better Philippines.
Nilinaw din ni Secretary Remulla na bagamat may ilang naging emosyonal sa nangyari, walang demoralisasyon na gaganap sa kanilang hanay. Pinaalalahanan lang daw silang patuloy na gampanan ang tungkulin at bukod sa wala naman daw madedemote sa pwesto at walang mapaparusahan sa mga nagpapahayag ng kanilang saloobin, ay nananatili pa rin daw profesional ang pambansang pulisya. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Mariza Umali nakatutok, 24 oras.